In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks and workflows with Asana rules. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up project automations that save time, reduce manual work, and keep your team moving in the right direction. First, head to Asana in your browser or desktop app and sign into the workspace where you manage your work. Automations live at the project level, so make sure you're in the right place before you begin. Open the project where you want the automation to run. This can be a lift or board view. Rules work in either. If your organization has multiple teams and projects, double check. You've selected the correct one, since rules apply only to the project you're viewing. Now, look toward the top right of the project and open the Customize panel. This panel controls project-specific features like fields, forms, and rules. If you don't see it, you may need a wider window or the appropriate permissions in the project. Inside Customize, locate the Rules section. This is your automation hub. A rule is made up of a trigger, something that happens to a task, and an action, what Asana should do in response. Triggers could be things like a task moving to a new section or a custom field changing value. Actions could include assigning the task, updating due dates, posting a comment, or moving the task to another section. Click Add to open the rule gallery. This gives you a curated set of common automations, so you don't have to build from scratch. It's a great way to get started quickly and ensure you're following best practices. Choose a template that fits your workflow. For example, you might pick a template that assigns a task when it's moved into a specific stage, or one that updates a custom field when a due date changes. After selecting a template, review the trigger and action details. Most templates let you fine-tune options like which section or field to watch, who should be assigned, and how dates should shift. Clear names help later, so consider giving the rule a descriptive title that explains what it does. When you're satisfied, click Add to Project. Your rule is now active for this project. You can return to the Rules section anytime to toggle it on or off, edit its settings, or remove it. If you work with multiple rules, keep them simple and non-overlapping to avoid unexpected behavior. Remember, rules run only in the project where they're created, and they respect your project's permissions. That's it. You've set up an Asana rule to automate your workflow and keep tasks moving without constant manual updates.